Alright, you welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. As a matter of fact, I just want you to understand that I appreciate you all for the good work you're doing. And what is the work you're doing again? For watching our video, and I appreciate you. If today's your first time you're coming to this platform, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget, copy, share the link, and then always click on the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Blah blah blah. As a matter of fact, I want to tell you today that something new just came up. The question came up, and which of the Veetgold will I use to mix my lotion? Veetgold oil. Can I use the one of kojic acid, or can I use the one of 3-in-1? And I say, as a matter of fact, let me tell you, you can use any of the Veetgold oil, right? But the best you can use this 3-in-1. All right. Yes, this 3-in-1, it does three things. That's why I say 3-in-1. Okay, let me count for you. Look at it. You have this whitening and firming and toning, and again it's SPF 20, right? So in other words, you can use it at any time. I'm not gonna say, oh, don't go under the sun. No, because this is a treatment oil. It's a treat, yes. So you can use it to mix your lotion. You can use it to mix your lotion. And when you use it to mix your lotion, not that like you say. Then again, she said, if I'm using to mix my lotion, is it a little quantity or whatever? So I said it all depends. So maybe if you want to make a 1 kg lotion, right? You want to make a use of which is a 500, so that is a 1 kg or 1 liter. So you can use at least half of it, right? So you can use half of it. Not gonna say, oh, should I use all? No, don't use all. Half of it. So when that is finished, you can use the other half. Before then, you must have be toned. You must have be toned. All right. So and it treats all your scars too. And that is what they didn't know. Like, so how does it treat your scar? Do you want to know that right now? Because it removes spot. They don't know. But for those who use it, they know it removes spot. All right. It's a whitening. We all know it's not because it's a whitening, but use it. It's not. It's sometimes I keep giving you information. Do you ever try them? Why not give it a try? That's among all the Veetgold. I want to tell you this. This is the one I prefer most. Veetgold always be Veetgold, no fake, right? Yes, but this is the one I prefer most. So I will urge you to give a try on this one. So if you know that maybe you're not using a 1 liter or 1 kg, you would go with 500 lotion, maybe any of the 500 lotion. So you cannot use a quarter of it, 3/4, so like 30 ml of it to mix 500 lotion. So it takes what it takes. So if you want to give it a try, why not go ahead and give it a try? Veetgold 3-in-1. Go ahead and give it a try. It's a nice oil. Okay? So we'll see next time.